Alright, what's up guys? So today, as you can see, I just finished shower. I didn't plan to shoot this video, but I got this idea I want to share. I think will be very useful to someone that want to focus on growing their social media, their vertical content on Instagram or TikTok. I think this will be a very good tips. And I want to show you how do I make a viral short form content on Instagram. So what I do now usually is I go on the reel page on Instagram. I just go through different reels and find the one that has a lot of engagement, ideally many likes and comments, and also share. So now you can see how many people shared through DM and also bookmarked it. So that's a really helpful feature now on Instagram. And also find the one that can relate to your content. For example, I found this one, this reel, I can resonate. The caption says, years from now on, it won't matter how much it cost, you'll just be glad that you went. So I can relate to that because I went to Japan early this year, and I definitely can relate to what they say in the caption. So I want to use this as an idea for my next reel. But I want to see their page, seems they are making very similar content, and I want to see if they have any other audio I can use. Let's go there. The first one got 27 million views. Let's see about this one. That's pretty cool. So I just go to the audio source. I want to listen to the full audio. Alright, so this gives you a very good build-up phase in the first 4 to 5 seconds. So it will be very good if you put like a still shot of me doing something and with the word next to it, which is the caption in the first reel about doesn't matter how much it costs, you're just glad you went there. So we can use that as an intro. So in the second half of this audio, it have this kind of sad and moody saxophone solo. So we can maybe use that to show different shots that I took in Japan. Yeah, I think that will be a very good plan for this reel. Okay, now let's do it. So what I did was, if you found an audio that you like, the quickest way that I found is if you have iPhone or any smartphone that have the screen recording function, you just go to audio page, the left bottom corner here, the one's blinking, so press that, and then you will be able to record the screen and also the audio. Once the top left corner turn red, that means it's recording, and then you just press play. So usually I record the whole song, so even though sometimes it might not be able to use the whole song, but just in case, so record the whole thing, and then you click the red button again and stop. So now you just go back to your album. So after that, you just use either AirDrop on iPhone or any other way that you use on Android to transfer the file to your desktop, your laptop. So now we can start editing. As you can see, my screen recording has been airdropped here. And then you just drag and drop to DaVinci or whatever software that you use to edit. And then you unclick this button right here to make sure it's not white, it's gray. So that means the video and audio are not linked together. So you want to delete this audio, right? And also before that, you want to make sure your resolution for the project is correct. So how you can make sure is you go to File, Project Settings, and make sure if it's 4K resolution, you use 2160 times 3840 Ultra HD. So that's vertical resolution, and the playback and the monitoring doesn't matter. You just click on Save. So make sure that you got the 4K vertical resolution. If you got like 1080p, then you can just choose 1080 times 1920 HD. So once you get that out of the way, so you got a nice and clean vertical resolution. That's the perfect size for Reel or TikTok. So now when you delete the video, you only have the audio on your timeline. So now you want to trim out the first part. Make sure there's no gap. So we'll play it. Yeah, that's fine. So as we talked about earlier, I want to make the intro of this reel as a still shot of me doing something. So I found this clip that's pretty good. It's me sitting on this car, having a drink, and it's a different side. I think that's pretty good, pretty moody. So I just drag that in. I don't need the audio for this video, I just delete that part. And I choose about so until this build up phase, that's about 5 seconds. I think he is very good. I just look away from the camera. So I just trim that. Let's see. Yep, so I just stop right there before the second phase kicks in. I trim that part. I think that's pretty good as a intro. And then I can just add some text in this area. So I position this clip as this on purpose because I can have some space as a background to put my text to overlay in the area. So this area will be perfect. When you listen to the audio afterwards, so as you listen to the tempo of the song, you can hear when the music changes. For example, for this one, you want to put few short clips, like 1 to 2 seconds. So for example, like this. So about 5 more clips. So every time I do this, that means is a new clip. So now I just need to find about 5 clips of me traveling to Japan in different locations. I think that will be a very good reel. I want to find somewhere I was at, like a famous touristy spot or a very big and nice landscape. Since the second phase of the saxophone solo is very sad and moody, so I try to find those clips that fit the vibe. I think this one will fit pretty good. It's the one that I was in Biye. It's a small town in Hokkaido. I think this part is pretty moody. I was looking down. I got so many clips I think that fit the vibe. Is because I was snowing at the time, and everything with the snow background, it just make it look so moody. Yeah, I think this one's pretty moody. Just me standing alone in the middle of a intersection. Okay, this one is me standing, sitting alone in front of 2 vending machines. Yeah, this is super moody. And before the next one comes in, cut. Yeah, that's pretty good. So after 2 scenes of the same location, the middle part just change things up to a different location, just something more refreshing. And then change back to the vending machine scene. Yeah, so that's how I want to arrange this simple reel. Let's go have a look again. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now I'm gonna do some color grading, and I won't put the text here on DaVinci Resolve. Apparently, if you add the text in the native app, they will help with the algorithm. It might be a myth, I'm not too sure, but I think the text, the font in the app is more organic. it's more native, so I might just go with that. Alright, so I did some simple color grading, so it turns out like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna export this and go on Instagram and put the text on, and whatever kind of caption you want to put on, that'll be my next reel. So hopefully this helped you in some way. If you like this video, feel it's helpful, so please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment to let me know that you enjoy this kind of video. So that would be really helpful to me and my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.